A question that's been coming in recently here at Don's Appliance is, my induction range burners don't seem to be working. That's usually an easy fix, and it has to do with the type of cookware you're using. You need to make sure you're using either induction safe cookware, so it's either listed as induction safe, or it's a magnetic pot or pan. So what happens is when you set your pot or pan down onto induction top and you turn on a burner, that should automatically turn on that burner because the magnetic ability of your pot or pan will allow that burner to turn on. If you're using aluminum or if you're using some old cookware or copper, that burner is never going to work. So you need to make sure you're using magnetic cookware or induction safe cookware. If you have any other questions about this, be sure to comment below. Thank you for watching, and as always, go to donsappliances.com for any future questions.